The first rule of truly living. Do the thing you're most afraid of.
Going into season 5, I'm looking forward to continuing the relationship that Matt had going on with Claire Holt, aka Rebecca, the hottest vampire on television.
You and I, this isn't gonna work.
Of course. I get it.
So whatever happens on the road, stays on the road, all right?
To say that to a very powerful and very beautiful vampire, I think really takes some gumption. And Matt's always kind of stuck to his guns and when it comes to principles and what he values, so I thought that was cool.
Turn your emotions back on right now, Elena, or so help me God, I will kill him right here in front of you.
You're bluffing.
Last season, one thing that really sticks out to me was when I was given the life ring.
I guess it was a good idea that he was wearing this.
It was Matt's first chance to kind of enter the world of the supernatural. I died and then came back, which was kind of an interesting experience as far as, the acting goes. But also just for me personally, I felt like I was a part of the gang finally, like jumping out of the Mystery Machine van and, kicking butt and taking names.
It was a brave thing to do.
She saved me from drowning at the bottom of that river. I'm just doing what I can to pay her back.